Artemis, the world's first mission to the moon since 1972. This time with superior technology and the will to go even further. Here's everything you need to know about the Artemis mission. Artemis 1 is a crewless 21-day mission set to launch September 2nd, where it will not only be going to the moon, but 40,000 miles beyond it. This mission is merely meant to provide us with a basis of what deep space travel will look like and how we can safely accomplish it. The moon is a point of interest because it offers a new point in space for humans to perceive the universe. It is also a promising site for exploration due to the discovery of water and possibility of finding rare earth metals. As well, it will be good practice to master our expeditions to the moon before we try our hand at the larger scale of the mission. The future goals of this mission are to get people on Mars anywhere between 2035 to 2045. But for now, we will focus on what NASA hopes to accomplish on the moon. Right now, the plan is to set up camp on the south pole of the moon where there are pockets of ice within the craters that have been protected from solar radiation. It may be important to mention that these craters are capable of being over 14,000 feet deep and 70,000 feet wide, making it an ideal location for scientists to set up camp. These base camps will include a rover, mobile home, a lunar cabin, and a lunar terrain vehicle. And on top of that, NASA created new spacesuits that give astronauts more mobility, giving them more ease while exploring the unfamiliar terrain. In order to make all of this happen, there needs to be a means of transportation. The overall goal of Artemis 1 is to establish a safe and reliable journey to and from the moon, and as a result, NASA made Orion, the largest and most powerful rocket on Earth, passing the Saturn V in every way possible. Orion is propelled into deep space by the integrated SLS, or Space Launch System, where it will then separate and continue its 3-day journey to the moon, where it will connect with Gateway. To assist Orion on its journey, NASA has created Gateway, a space station that will orbit the moon and provide transportation from Orion to the moon. Gateway contains habitation spaces that will allow longer visits to the space station and a human landing system that will be the vessel that transports the astronauts to the moon. It will be the first space station to support human life that does not orbit Earth. Not only this, but it will also be used to form strong communications from us to the moon. Gateway will hold 4 astronauts at a time, 2 of which will travel to the surface of the moon to conduct the groundbreaking research that we've all been waiting for. In addition to this, Gateway has the ability to expand if ever necessary. Considering how many components were created by other companies, the creation of Gateway was a love letter between many organizations such as NASA, ESA, and CSA, just like the space station that orbits around us on Earth today. Humankind returning to the moon for the first time since 1972 is only a stepping stone to bigger and better things. I hope you enjoyed this look into the Artemis mission, and thank you for joining me in these cozy cosmos.